Hey guys, it's FunnyAnimatorJimTV, and I just wanted to try and show you this project that I've been working on Scratch. So this has to do with The Legend of Zelda. It's going up Death Mountain Trail, and I've kind of made this like it's a side-scrolling kind of system here. It's not like a traditional Mario style platformer like that. I've kind of made it based. It's mostly kind of like The Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess, but I've kind of molded a bit of Ocarina of Time into it as well. So you can you use the keyboard like this. I'm not sure if you can. I'll just show you. So you click the green flag to start the project, and yes, you can hear the music in the background. So yeah, use the arrow keys to move. You can use up to jump, or if you run off a ledge like this over here, then it will automatically jump for you like in the real game. And if you fall down a hole like this, then it's kind of like the traditional Zelda cutscenes. Then you have this animation here where Link comes back up. So yeah, that's like the basic movement controls. So then you can use your sword. Just press S to swing your sword horizontally, and then if you hold Q while pressing S, you can swing it vertically like this. And if the frame rate is lagging a bit, that's just because the recorder I'm using is really lagging up this. So the frame rate does not look like this in the original project. It's just the thing is lagging. So, but as of October 16, 2016, this is not shared yet, so you can't. Play this just right now. I'm still trying to add a few more things to it. So, yeah, you can, and if you jump and press S, you can do a jump attack. So just press S while you're in midair. Like that. So, yeah, and it also has context-sensitive objects. Also, if you stand with your sword holding like this for about a second, then R comes up and you can put it away. So, yeah, you can walk without the sword, and then you can walk with the sword like this. So yeah, if you stand next to a sign, you can press A to read it like this, and this is kind of similar to classic Zelda things. You can see we have our hearts in the top left corner and the rupees in the bottom left corner. And yeah, when you jump down here, you lose a heart, a quarter of a heart. Sorry. Yeah. So it's just basic controls, and I know it lags really slow. The walking is not this slow in the real game. Yeah, you can just jump over that. So then as we come up to here. Yeah, so this is a Goron, and I've kind of based their design off of from Ocarina of Time. All these drawings are all by me, just using a standard mouse on a computer, not using like a drawing tablet or anything. This is all just done by me in a just a very limited paint editor. So yeah, so you can just stand next to him and press A to talk to him. And yes, these lines are very similar to classic lines from Zelda, from already existing Zelda games. I've kind of added a little bit to it, but yeah. So I'm one of the Gorons, stone-eating people who live on Death Mountain. Do you want to get to our city? Goron City is only a little way up the trail. It won't take you much longer to get there, even on foot. Yes, that's another line from there. I will warn you, my brothers like to roll down the mountain very fast. If one of them is rolling towards you, you better use your shield to stand against them. Now, I haven't got the rolling Gorons and the shield, and both the shield and the Gorons working yet. But they will be in soon. I just haven't put them in yet. That's why I want to wait until I can finish it before I share it. Yes, oh, and one last thing. You'll need this to get into our city. Take care. You got a small key. Yeah, so we just get a small key. I haven't got the whole city thing in just yet. I just wanted to add like the basic features in. So yes, this is the first time we can use items. And yes, so you might, if you press A, you might accidentally talk to him again, but you just need to quickly press A so that you don't accidentally talk to him, and I was lucky there. So now we have a chest. We can open it. We got a blue rupee. That's worth 5 rupees. Lucky find. Yeah. So yeah, and that's another thing from Skyward Sword. I've just taken lines. So yeah, there are So yeah, in this chest you can pick. I just pick random. You can get a green rupee, or a blue rupee, yellow rupee, or red rupee in this chest here. And you'll notice that the chest stays closed, but we can't. But the message doesn't come up again. So there's that, and you can talk to him again, and he just says something like along the lines of what he said, but just a lot shorter. Goron City is only a little way up the trail. Yeah, if one of my brothers is rolling towards you, you'd better use your shield to stand against them. Yeah, so that's it. And then got some more stuff. And now right here, I'm planning to add a Goron, and then you would use down to get your shield out. So anyway, the controls, the sword, you just press S to do it, and then swing it horizontally, and then you can do a jump attack by pressing S in midair, like that. I know it's lagging, but I mean, it's just that way. And then you can talk to him again. So, yeah, so this is just the basic controls. And you'll know, and see in the bottom left corner the rupees. We got the 5 rupees. Now it's showing up the 5 rupees. And then if we keep going this way, then we just fall to our death. And then we come back alive in midair. And then we fall to our death again. So yeah, because I haven't added in anything else. And then you click this red button to stop, and then the green flag to click to start the project. So yeah, I've got so yeah, this is pretty much what I have so far. I'm planning to add like the whole mountain and a few more elements like the shield and the rolling Gorons before I release it quick. I don't think I'm planning on making this into a whole game. I mean, I'm not sure. So let's see if we can get something different from the chest. Oh, we got a blue one again. Okay, let's keep opening the chest until we can get something besides a blue rupee. Yeah, so this was made in a program called Scratch. It's by MIT, and it's just a website where you can. It's like for kids, and it's like starter programming. Yes, most of the programming, all the drawings are made by me. Then you can let's open it again, see if we can get something different. We got a blue one again. Okay. This is not a glitch. It's just sheer chance. I mean. It does. I mean, I don't think it will matter how many rupees you have by the time you get to the city. I mean, I might put like a couple enemies on the mountain, maybe a couple. Not sure, but we will open the chest. Let's hope we can get something different. We got a green one. Okay, that's good. Yes, we got a green rupee. It's only worth 1 rupee, so collect lots of them. Yeah, and then we'll see in the corner we have 1 rupee. So yeah, so that's all, and we can see the hitboxes right here. We can see the Goron's hitbox, and then this chest hitbox here, and we can see like the hitbox of the mountain right here. So yeah, so now I'll just kind of briefly show you the coding inside. So this is all the coding for Link himself. Look at all this. Ooh, that's a lot. All that. So yeah, this is not like HTML, C++, that kind of stuff where it's just text. This is like graphical programming where it's like if key left arrow pressed, variables, and they're different. So like these orange ones are variables, and costumes, what they look like. So yeah, and we have a yeah, these are all the different animation costumes for Link here. Yeah, then we have this. And then here's the hitbox right here. And then we have this animation right here. All of these here. So it's not like Flash where there are keyframes and everything. It's all like in the scripts that tells the project what to do. And then this animation right here. Yeah, so then we have we have the text engine, which is in here. Yeah, so this is the text engine. So this is for the item, depending on which item you get. And then all this right here is just for that one Goron. Just this this big one on the left here. And then this is the engine, like right up here. And then item, and then we have the sound effects over here. Right, and then rupee. And then Link's sound effects. Yeah, I just got some sound effects from Twilight Princess. And so yeah, and here we have the context-sensitive boxes, and then we have scrolling, and here's the music in here. Yeah, so it wasn't. This is one of my biggest projects, like my second biggest here. And here, this was the link I was using for my platformer, just my standard platformer. This is more of a Wind Waker type link, but this I decided to go for a Twilight Princess looking link like this. So yes, and then here we have the different costumes. We have green, rupee, blue, yellow, and red, and the key, and then the light background. And then we have this is for the rupee thing in the bottom, and the hearts, and yeah, everything. So yeah, all the main stuff is mainly in Link. Here we can see we have a lot of this coding was done by me, like this big block over here, and like little pieces of the code were done by me. Others were just borrowed from other scratchers, but I am giving credit to them. So yes, so this is just a little tweak. So yes, and I did make all the drawings. I know that. So yes, so this is my upcoming project. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this. Yes, and so yeah, you use your sword with the S button, and you can hold Q and press S, and then you can jump down the hole like this. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.